So in previous videos we have discussed some basic calculations, and we will trying to conclude this video with that previous videos. Okay, so we are talking about calculations. Okay, so you see this is a calculation 24 by 0.75. Okay, so we can solve the calculation by converting this 0.75 into 3 by 4, and I have told you in previous video how to convert. You can see it here. You can convert 0.75 in is equals to by multiplying it by 100 in both numerator and denominator side, and we will get the answer 3 by 4. Okay, so you see we have converted the 0.75 into 3 by 4, and this 4 will come upside, and 24 into 4 upon 3, so 3 8 times is equals to 24, and 8 into 4 times is equals to 32. So our answer came 32. Okay, so this is somehow basic calculation that you need to understand for fast calculating like numerical problems and all stuffs. Likewise, you can see this one 3.87 into 0.4. Here we can convert this 0.4 into 2 by 5 by multiplying it with by 10, denominator and numerator and denominator both sides. So we will get 2 by 10, and after getting 2 by 5, then it will become very easier to solve this multiplication by 5. 0.774 times is equals to 3.87, and if you multiply 0.774 into 2, it will become 1.548, and that's the answer. Likewise, we have came to the next topic, means fun with power. Here we can see if there is any power like x to the power 3 into x to the power 2, then if in between the sign is multiplication, then we will add this both power, like it will become x to the power 5. We will add this two powers, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, and if the base is same, then we will add. If this base will same, suppose if the x is equals to 10, then the answer will come 10 into the power 5. But if the sign in between this both x is plus or minus or division, then we will not add this values. This will not come likewise this has come x to the power 5. It will not come like that. Okay, like that only. If we have to convert 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, then we have to multiply it by 100 on both the sides, means on numerator side and denominator side. If you multiply both the side with 100, then this 100 we can write it 10 to the power 2, and when it will go to the upper side, to the numerator side, then it will become 10 to the power minus 2, and when it become 10 to the power minus 2, if the in between, if the sign is multiplication, then we will add this both both powers, and after adding this both power, it will become 10 to the power minus 6, and this 100 will remain same constant. So if we have to convert this 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, then simply you multiply and divide it by 100, and you will get 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 2. That's the answer. Likewise, if you have to convert this 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, so just divide and multiply by 100, and after dividing multiply, this 10 to the power minus 2 will become it will come 10 to the power 2 will come upper side, it will become 10 to the power minus 2, and this both will 10 to the power 2, we can write it 10 to the power 2, and 10 to the power 2 is here only, so in between there is multiplication sign, then it will we will add this powers to 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 4, this is here, and this 10 to the power 2 will come to the upper side, and it will become 10 to the power minus 2. So the answer will become 0.01 into 10 to the power 4. That is some basic calculation you need to know. After that, we come to this question, 10 to the power 4 upon 10 to the power 8. How to solve this? So we will get this 10 to the power 8 in the upper side, in the numerator side. When it will go to the numerator side, the sign will change, the power sign will change. It will become 10 to the power minus 8. So 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 is equals to 10 to the power minus 4. We will add this both powers because the base is same. After adding, and we will get minus 4. You know that whole steps, but one time you have to understood, because these are the fundamental things you need to know, and that will make your base stronger. Like that, if you have to find out 4 to the power 5 by 2, so you just write 4 to the power half, and in the bracket you have to write 5. If you will multiply half into 5, then you will get this number. So 4 into the power half is equals to, you know that 4 to the power half means under root of 4, and you know that. So under root of 4 is equals to 2, and this 5 will come there. The 2 to the power 5 will become, you know that 32. We come to next, 16 to the power 3 by 2. We can write it 16 to the power half into 3, and 16 to the power half means under root of 16. So under root of 16 will become 4, and 4 to the power 3 is equals to 64. This 3 will remain same, and after calculating this whole, it will become 4, and 4 to the power 3 is equals to 64. Coming to the next, how to calculate this, or means how to find the value of x in this certain equation. 27 is equals to 5 plus x to the power 2 in the bracket 3 by 2. Here we have to write 27 is equals to 5 into 3 by 2 plus x to the power 6 by 2, because this 2 will multiply with 3 and it will become 6 by 2. Okay. After that, we have to take 3 by 2 as a common, and after taking 3 by 2 as a common, this will become 5 to the power 1, and this will become 5x to the power 2, because 3 2 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2. And when this power will go to the right hand left hand side, then it will become its reciprocal. Like first of all, we have taken the common 3 by 2, and then it will become, when we will go to left side, then it will become 2 by 3. Okay, so we can write it like this: 27 to the power 1 by 3 into bracket close into to the power 2. We can write it, okay, we can break it like this, is equals to 5 plus x square. Okay, so 1 by 3 is equals to cube root, and cube root of 27 is equals to 3, so and 3 square is equals to 9, is equals to 5 plus x to the square, and this 5 will go here, and we will minus this. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4, and the square will go here, and we will become under root is equals to 2. This is all the basic calculation you must have to know. Okay, likewise, you see this one, 8 to the power 2 by 3. We can solve it like this: 8 to the power 1 by 3 into bracket close into power to the power 2. Okay, so 1 by 3 is equals to cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is equals to 2, and 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4. That's how we answer this. Okay, and and this is the method that how we calculate the under root. So under root 8 is equals to 4 into 2, and this 4 square root is 2, and this 2 will remain in the same root, because there is no square root of 2. It was there, but in numerical, in decimal points it's there. So by knowing the square roots, we can solve the 8 cube root by this method. 8 cube root is equals to 8 to the power 1 by 3. Likewise, 8 square root is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 8 to the power 1 by 2. Like that, it's cube root of 8 is equals to 8 to the power 1 by 3, and it is equals to 2 to the power 3, because 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. We can write 8 as a 2 to the power 3, and in the bracket we write 1 to the power 3, 1 by 3 power 2 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3, and 3 will cancel, and answer will become 2. That's how we calculate. Okay, so that's all about basic methods, basic mathematics. And after this video, we will go ahead and we will study about logarithms in basic mathematics. Okay, so stay tuned.